Verifying your WordPress site using an HTML tag is a straightforward process, often used for services like Google Search Console, Facebook Pixel, or Bing Webmaster Tools. Here's how. Obtain the HTML tag. Log into the service you're verifying. Select the HTML tag verification method. Copy the provided meta tag. It usually looks like this. Add the HTML tag to your WordPress site using a plugin. Install and activate a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers. Go to Settings, Insert Headers and Footers in your WordPress dashboard. Paste the HTML tag into the header section. Save changes. Manually add to theme. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Theme File Editor. Open the header.php file of your active theme. Paste the HTML tag just before the head closing tag. Save the file. Verify the tag. Return to the service's verification page. Click Verify to complete the process. Confirmation. After verification, leave the tag in place to maintain verification. If you switch themes, re-add the tag.